What kind of bangarang a go on a mafia workplace people a walk on? How nobody no call me? You know how long me wake up in my house lie down because me have nothing to do these hours. And I'm my style this me just lie down with wifey. Once me have nothing to do, me lie down with wifey. When you looking at my face, you see it? I know wait, me just awake, you know. Me lie down in the house because me wait long time. So me just in the bed lie down because me have nothing to come a road come to. And nobody no call me and send unto me. I want to stay some man. Jesus me. And me alone now and jump fence. How I go on? Come here, I want to come here, I want to come here. And a serious note. How are me here going over Curly workplace? True, me don't want to talk foolishness. Me make sure not drink the real champagne. Me I drink the soda. Champagne. When you talk to me, no man, I want to go on so. Alright, me tell you now when me here. Me don't know if I saw it go. Me hear say Curly carrying her man got the people them place. You don't hear nothing like that? Me no know allegedly. Say Curly carry her man go spend the night at the people them place. She serious? What? The money run low then can't go hotel? Her the weather where they Houston, Texas a reach her so she want dicky. Cause me hear say Beryl there Houston, Texas a go mad. Yes, me have one subscriber who live at Houston. And she said speak me mind. Me say Beryl over here go bad. She have to move her things then put this all in her bedroom. She have to put certain things. So me I wonder if the weather reach Curly and Curly sitting start jump. But Curly at your age of 63. You're not supposed to have nothing for jump. You just have something for take something. But you're not supposed to have jump Curly at 63. You not reach menopause Curly. Curly, come on Curly man. How dicky you want so that you couldn't wait? And the weekend just done Curly. So you never do know. Oh, sorry. It not look like Curly do not know over the weekend. Because it not look like much money did dead if it gone away. Because remember hotel fee have to come in place, you know. You notice you see the big Sunday, me not see she go out neither. Yes man. So it come like funds low. And Curly want dicky. So she invite the man allegedly. Cause I don't know. Me only hear it go around. Me don't know if a room a crowd know me don't like jump in or anything, you know. But when me know for sure, you so now people. Curly go and get herself in a problem. Because Curly paying more attention. I continue to see people typing all about in a fear comment and other people comment. Whether them hate her, like her, or love her, tell her that she must be more careful. Because she cannot depend live at the people, them premises, and exposing things that she not supposed to expose. What the I say she almost exposed the client. Somebody say almost, she exposed the client. And now she exposed things that the lady down a country, you don't know anything she get, she grab and run with that, you know. She coming like you see and bolt, you know. You see when she a hanker the relay, she only want to get it back, you know. She gone, you know. All when she pass the finish line, she still a run round the track with it, you know. And you take your phone and depend live and expose things. And what kind of mafia argument I go on people? The last time I hear about mafia in the Godfather, who remember the show named Godfather? The last time I hear about mafia in the Godfather show. And what kind of Godfather argument I go on and sit and reveal? Curly, how you do now? Anyway, people, before me get into the video, you know what they do. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. As I tell you, 23% of you people still watching and don't subscribe as yet. What are you waiting on? I tell you to drop it to 15. Make it 15% naysayers, haters, bad mind, jealous, and you understand? But the next 8% are on. Come on, jump left that ship. Join the positive ship. Join the ship that is moving. Not the one that anchor out at sea and cannot move. Because when you anchor out at sea for days and months and cannot move, something wrong with that ship. So jump off of that ship and jump on the ship that is moving. Alright? Come out of the 23% of people that subscribe and watching and join the majority. Alright? Remember now, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. I release a video today. Pauline Henry, this is your last call out, your last road to fame. If you don't make use of your road to fame, me can't help you again. The video is out now. And the Life is a Mission channel. The same lady with me video, and you say I want to be like Dana so bad. The video is out. Life is a Mission. Go over there, go look. The woman request was granted. She said she want a radio, it granted. She want a little bickle, it granted. And it wasn't you. What me know for sure, it was you alone. She wouldn't achieve what she achieved. She wouldn't wake up Sunday morning and have something could have munch pan if I even one of the ginger bulla, the pineapple bulla. If I did you. Because suppose me did follow you when you're dropping in my comment section and say you want to be like Dana. And me take it to heart and say, alright, me not help. Because that you don't want to see, you know, don't want to see nobody get help. Probably because you don't want to help and nobody not help, you know. Yes, you don't want to see nobody else get help. Because some people stay, you know, you have a lot of people stay, so, you know. If I know them, it's not supposed to be nobody. Anyway, Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Tamika Douglas down there too. And the cash app down there. Go give them a subscription. The cash app is $ Life is a Mission TV. You help me. No, you know. You give me. And I take the gift and give back to the needy. Not the greedy. Alright? Simple as that. Anyway, people, we not stay too long, you say, no. Boy, Curly, me not lie. In this video, you sir, you sound a bit nervous. Because the woman down a country must check the Curly so she go and call N.Y.P.D. and divulge all the information. Curly start ball. Make any police ever come yourself. Make any police ever come and you watch and you see. You what? Cause the woman I say. Come. You can't talk loud. Me can't talk loud. Me have to take time to talk loud. The woman I say is like she discover say Curly I work with mafias. As me say, me no know if them they something they steal the boat. Because the last time me hear about mafias is when me watch a show them Godfather. And me think mafias are back in the 80s and early 70s. Me never know say mafia steal the boat. So me no know Curly catch her coward. So we are gonna get into the video. But before me get into the video, make a clear one thing. People, you hear me just I say make me take time talk loud. Someone a complain say my voice strong over the video them sometime. Alright, make I explain two things away from this is not about talking in the video now. Say my voice strong. Yes, my voice is strong, people, strong. Me no know. If me even take time talk loud, it coming like it's still loud. But let me tell you the next thing. One of the things when me eat, so me just take it in consideration because too me no like it. Me I say nobody now go like it for me neither. Me hate for you listen to a video and me have to strain my ears. You understand? You listen to one video, me there as art. So me outdoor now, yes so. And me listen to a video. Remember no not hear no noise, you know. But at the same time, breeze a blow, car a pass. And me can't hear the video. Me have to put me here. No, me not like that something there. So me like to talk up on here. Not to disturb me so like when me listen to a video and can't hear the audio properly. Not to disturb me so. So that's why I probably practice myself with my loud voice to talk loud up in the video. So you can put on all the video that's how walk go down there so. Remember you know. Enough time on that work. Sometime on there in the kitchen. You can catch a video right there so. The phone right there so you gonna I still hear because my voice loud. So you can work and listen to the video. Someone have in earpods so it might load so all you have to do is turn down the phone. Anyway, that is that. Listen Curly cause right now Curly afraid to tell me what you think.
Tomorrow me buy one phone card and so me can call the Jamaica government tomorrow. Panar. Because this a woman is mad to blood clot.
a few bad word cuss on the prepare. I don't know a Curly.
Over there. I said me I work with mafia. And a mafia.
The
Me I say mafia
Godfather.
come out for her. And all kind of something. No.
So Curly, you send threat? You send the mafias? Me don't know. Me I listen.
Eh?
Listen, me I listen.
Nobody not threaten the woman.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? Nobody not threaten her. Me tell she did put out the people information. And me tell her, me say, make she go and put out the people information and prominent people them here. So make she go mess with the people them. Me never said nothing about mafia and nobody like that. You understand? And she out there I expose information wherever she get information from. Me tell her say she can't go and wherever she get it from. All of a sudden she over there a chat talk and a fuck people here, so she'll call the N.Y.P.D and she could call this and she could call that and I mean she call it on. Me not have no criminal record on me. She have to go.
What you say, I know you are your bosses because basically you're more than one. So what you say, I know you them are gonna call it pan with where she are exposed are your bosses. You have a thing then called interrogation. You have a next thing then called aiding and abetting. Them the law they in America, me no know them that Jamaica. Aiding and abetting. So when you come on an interrogation, you might have to talk all where you don't know. Yes man, you might have to talk and everybody brave, you know. And everybody can hold out, you know, you see them by the road, you know. When them go into the station, you know, and the police start to interrogate them, you know. You see how Jamaica, yeah? You don't want to see the, you go into the CIB office and then take up the big book. Once and lift it up, so you start about, alright officer, alright. Because for you down road there, man, I talk about that, the big book, when it drop in your head. It come like when a cartoon character lick up and you see sitting and spin and you eye them a roll over and them a spin. Yes man, when the big book drop. So when you go now and you start getting interrogation and I go like you know things and I want to talk. And you see that the big book they lift up. Just to lift up alone before it even come down, you start ball out. Yes, officer, I'm hide it underneath there. So, yes, officer, going at the goalie and looking at the call, but you see it, officer. Yes, officer, I'm have it tie up in the tree, officer. Yes, officer, I'm have it now a milk box underneath there, so, officer. Look under the zinc, you see it, officer. Him start talk everything, but yesterday him never know nothing. So, you see, interrogation, sometimes you talk all the way you don't even know. Because you don't need that, you don't want to reach you.
Good and proper. Wait, whatever. She might have get herself in some rash trouble. If come for harass me. I'm me in my house and she come
In your what?
Screenshot.
What? I saw house useful to you now that you are say you're in your house or you're in the people them house. How about the Rasta Jadis? It just coming like what you mean, you say you're in your bed. And when you get bed curly, me one lie must say yesterday you say you're in your bed. And when you get bed, you don't have no bed curly, the people them bed. Jesus peace.
You might have get yourself in some rash trouble. Eh? Me don't know she see me now.
Wanna listen curly voice.
Me did it with my phone, so I catch pass her certificate. So she screenshot it and I Google up things. And I put out things.
Curly voice not sound strong.
She a screenshot and I put out. Where she have right? Anybody had her in a she had the man in a problem? We are screenshot and I put out.
Curly, your voice not sound strong.
I move from here. You old cranny blood clots. Both you call police. Move yourself and go move yourself from here. And go clean up your dirty hurricane house. Occupy you. Idiot. You don't even know if it's chat. Both you get screenshot and somebody threatening you. Occupy you. Eh? As somebody I look for surf, you go look and walk. I go sell your pussy, bitch. Both you call policeman who and call policeman with screenshot. Move yourself. You think you're foreign people? Are intelligent people you deal with? We do look at idiotness and go sit down and go look at blood clot walk.
So Curly, how what kind of service them there that she can't Google to find out information? That no sound good, Curly. But then again, if any form of illegal something that uno in the public eye still, so we can't be fool out here stealing up people. But something not right, something not right. Ninja man vice, something not right. Because Curly, what you say yes or no? To me, how you talk, you sound away like your voice sound like the Curly with me know. Your voice is strong. But me I wonder, it's not the documentation probably is the problem. Because as me say, mafia, nobody would have certain things in the public eye, hang up on wall and put on your son around there. So I don't think that are the problem. You know what are the problem where you think on now, Curly? For this thing you gonna reach your doorstep. The people them doorstep. And the people them gonna realize say you expose them property. You expose what is on them property and in them premises. And when these things can be shown, you're liable to lose the little work. You're liable to lose your little resting place. The best place you have been since you leave the Marriott. Not even the loft was good because you're never having any comfortable sleep. Right now, are some invisible people alone you sleep with. So you turn, then move. So you turn, then move. Because one thing, then say, don't you know, like mingle up with people, you know. They may come against you, but them not like grounds. But when you did that, the loft, over the answer, man. When you did that, the loft, you have to stay at one place by your side. So you did very much uncomfortable. Yeah, so now you spread out. You roll over upon back, you roll over upon right side, left side. You put it up a bed head, you put it down a bed foot. You do anything. You do live. So that are your concern, you know, Marcia. You know if this reach these people, you're going to lose this job. Because you expose the people them privacy. And the thing about it, you know, it can be proven. Because as you say, Madam, she screenshot it. So I feel like that's what I worry about, Marcia. Why? A long time here, the people, all your one people, them warn you on your platform, be careful of the live and the camera. Why you never make it, you never stop to the truth, it's a stage of Marcia, man. Jesus, please. Go see Marcia homeless again. This now gonna look good.
You're hacking like a deranged blood clot alligator.
Plus rumors are go around say you carry your man, got them people them place. No, sir. This can leave you homeless again, Marcia. I know what you worry about.
You dirty pussy hole, you. Both you over there, both you, go on, then about you call police and you could do this and whatever somebody threaten you. Come with it. Come with it. Come over my page, come see when anybody threaten you. You stupid old bitch. You are the one who come in the people's house, come scream shots in thing and I put out by here. Go suck yourself, dirty woman.
No, I say you're pitching on my face, man. Sure. Tell me to move when you cuss your body with them. Because be a pit come out of your mouth when you cuss your body with them. Sure.
You bumbo clot, you.
What I done, she say when she just done shh. Because she don't see enough to say come when me just done shh.
Contents. You pussy clot, idiot woman. Blood clot content. You never say come see blood clot, dirty woman.
Remember me telling her prepare for you, but I do what master this and she in an ignorant state.
Are you coming at people yard, come scream shot thing and I put out? Move your pussy clot from here.
You serious? Alright, so that woman they live in America now. Alright, you carried on a worldwide web. How many rasta this? Yo, are you carrying people in business on a worldwide web, you know? I expose the people in business, you know? So right, so you can't blame her, trust me.
Eh? How afraid are you? and call what kind of way. Go move yourself from here and move up. Come show a screenshot where whatever about you call people mafia and this. I wish they were a mafia. I wish they were.
Why you wish they were? Me can't tell you why she wish they were, people. You know why she said she wish they were? Because you know what happened. Probably should have got her wish or her wishes. Whether her wish or her wishes. Because she feel like now she could have used them to do her dirty acts that she want to see happen all along. Yes. Mm-hmm. So you wish they were mafias. Okay. You don't have your money, man. Pay for do what you want.
Screenshot things for. Blogging that, go sit your ugly pussy clot down, you bitch. You stinking blood clot nasty whore.
Jesus, please, man. Behave yourself.
Bright and hot order. Boy, you over there, go you mad pussy clot. Go look a psychiatrist for your mad blood clot drug addict self. You must have take some blood clot, cook up a boat and make you behave so. Move your dirty bumbo clot from here. You're crying in a blood clot. What the fuck people over there listen to you? You're deranged. You're delusional. You're mad blood clot head sick no good. Call over police and tell police what? Go call police and tell police the lie. Are you coming to people's house where you put all people information for? Them are you in a nothing. Go suck your pussy whole self. Your whole alligator. You're tough no blood clot with your cranny skin. You smell like a blood clot chick.
No, sir. Hey, I want to you know. Hey, I want to you know me. Me like when them touch Marcia still, you know. Hey, so when them touch Marcia, you can't know when she get touched. Cause when she right now, me don't know, probably the man, probably the old shit, you know. Make she can't talk loud, me don't know. But when she get touched, when they hit Marcia nerve, you can't know when you hit her nerves. This is the way Marcia behave. And she go up in a one, but probably, true, she probably at the house still, as me say. She can't get fit. Give the outburst there, where like she have all the nervous breakdown. When she go up in the top of you, see like the vein them stand up in her head. And like she have to get a nervous breakdown. Probably a true she at the house. Anyhow she that do this in her van and her way driving go somewhere or there somewhere, it would be a different video. I don't feel like I in the van she there.
And crab house. Why you? Move up. I got blood clot volunteer for help your country. You ugly blood clot woman.
Man say, you know, say me hear you talk from what day over a little storm. I know Jamaica alone the storm hit. Right now the storm might do little damage in Houston, Texas. Where is Houston? Where is Houston? The storm damaged Mexico and we are talking about after it left we. You understand? St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Grenada. So you make it look like say, you know, it was something direct to us only. Jesus, please. Well, you know what, I'm going to do something for Houston too. Houston. Yeah, boy, you're a real madman. Come and see Chucker come out and still drive out. Go do something for Houston.
Who you think you're talking to? You think you can call police and tell police what? And you come up here and violate people's privacy.
When are you expose people's privacy?
Anybody, how much time you watch people on social media and them show house and have pictures on the wall and see a certificate of
Show what is theirs. You there somewhere at work where you're supposed to be taking care of an elderly person at what, 96 years old? And you take the time out for them on your life without any form of, say boy, what do you call it now? Consideration to say, okay, every 2 minutes I'll get up and take a prips. Because remember now, despite on the same strong and rare of him age, right now he's like a little baby. So if you have a little baby on the bed asleep, make sure you catch a pillar there, you have to go take a grip on him. You can't just leave him for hours and now take a look on him. You're that child guardian. So right now you are that gentleman guardian. So you're supposed to make sure you prep on him. And when you're upon your life, straight through you're upon your life. And you turn your camera sometime like you don't even realize that all the people them place it and you're on the job. You understand? As bad as thing me see one another such one every tongue. When she sit down around fair like a place where she do and do a fair life every tongue. Because we have to give credit where credit is due. Enough time as she hear a little sound she depend. Like she give her opening ears. Sometimes she couldn't even hear no sound, but too she know what her job description is. You understand? It seems like she always hear a sound because she's away and she not see. We're going in there so with her client. And she will get up and look all on the people. And she will get up a couple times and go look. You unlike you? No, sir. You sit down all 2 hours before life done before you go look. Because you just tell yourself say the man in there sleep. What if the man in there sleep and roll off her bed? And can't get the shout out? God forbid, what if a stroke take the man in the bed in there and him want you and can't get the call out to you? Your job is to make sure this man in your visibility where him can see in your vision. You cannot see him. Anywhere him there, invisible to you. So if you're there outside of your life, you cannot see every action of him. But because you know your dirty behavior, him can't uplift you. And you're the right as and do a life. Because you know it's possible for you to get on top of your voice, curse words, and all kind of things. So you have to go a distance from him. And then now, you know what that do? That put your job at risk and that put the man at risk. Because, as me say, God forbid, and a stroke take the man. Him can't call out, him can't make no noise. Long after now, when you realize, when you could have called for assistance if you did have give this man the attention when he's supposed to get, where you get paid for him. You would have realized and recognized that something is wrong from early, so you could call the medic, get in contact with his family. But when you realize, little too late. So are you that the people them place are expose the people them busy when you're not supposed to do that? It's a worldwide net you're depend. So if you have people where you and them have things out the road, and them can't get content off of you, and them can't get things to come at you, you don't feel like them are going to take it? You don't feel like them are going to take it? When you tired up on your phone and looking at the next woman house in Jamaica, and come on your platform, come chat all kind of crap and bullshit, now your phone is up and see, and a fear house that, you understand? She feel free to do what she want to do. Even though the woman moved gone to America, you still in her phone and watch the woman place. And a fear place that. And like you, her work is a work site you depend on the type of work where and a construction work you do, and an office work where you do, The work where you do a caregiving work, we come with responsibility, You understand? It come with responsibility because of the age of the man we are look after. Him can't strong heart, you see him move from here to go to the bathroom. But you see when him reach the bathroom door, as me say, God forgive, you don't know what can happen. God forbid, you don't know what can happen. So you, even though you know him can't walk from here to go to the bathroom by himself, he may need your help. You supposed to make sure you see everything will happen. So if there is something just suddenly come on, you can be there immediately to render some assistance. If you have to call the medic, you call the medic. If you have to call him family, you call them. But when you go out the door, sit down, pan your phone, pan live, you understand? Something happened to the man. 20, 40 minutes after before you find out, God forbid again, you come see the man tumble over in the house. Where you gonna come say, no man, him auntie enough, you know. I know him always get up and walk to the bathroom himself, you know. I don't know what happened. I know that them a pay for. Whether him can walk go or not. If he dare not to hold him for him walk, go make sure you're dead when him a walk, go so you see what is happening. So you can't come out and complain about people that expose people place, or you expose the people them place.
Well, where you about to your screenshot something from? Move up. Your hand a privileged goat.
You have overprivileged goat. Me never know.
Move up yourself. You dunce blood clot you. Who you think you can call? You think you can call? You think you can call New York City police and tell them what? Tell them what?
So how you can call Jamaica police?
Make one blood clot police come to me, Erica.
Yes, so me know she a threat.
Make one blood clot police come at this house.
Yes, so me know she a threat.
Make one blood clot police come, Erica. May I tell you straight up.
Yes, so me know she a threat.
Make one police come with foolishness, a Facebook foolishness. Go sit your nasty looking pussy clot.
Oh, so just few days ago when you say you call Jamaican police, for cease and desist and all kind of sitting, and them tell you to go up on site and do this and do that. I never Facebook foolishness or social media foolishness. You so no think only for yourself alone. Remember, none of the two of them and me none take tea. But me now, you know my style is, me come out here for every video when me I do against she, if she chat foolish over there, so a foolish. If she do foolish over there, so a foolish. So what day when you talk about call Jamaican police and rare and seize and desist and rare and them I tell you say them can't do nothing. As what you're saying allegedly. Because me never hear you on the phone with nobody, and if you even dep on the phone with somebody, me never see a video call and I can't say it's a police in a police station or whatsoever. No. You say them only can go down, they go warn her, talk to her, but them can't do nothing. You have to file report or file this or rare, and them tell you, oh, you can't do it, you can't go up on the website and whatsoever, rare. You never see social media and Facebook foolishness. But no, the woman says she'll call N.Y.P.D. You're afraid about sending police come by you there? Are your job you're afraid pan? Or are your resting place you're afraid pan? Which one? Yeah, look pan it say you're going, if that happen, you feel like the people, not feel like, you know say, the people them not go on that because by then now, the people them are going to probably start see who you is. Probably them even know say he's a social media personality where I give so much problem out here. So basically, them don't want people like you in them yard, so you're going to lose the work. But the work are not your concern. Are you abiding city? Because right away you're homeless again. Probably that you're afraid, but I don't think of the work. But you have to have the work if you have the abiding city.
With your idiot self, you jealous bitch. And you have a 6-bedroom house in Jamaica and 4-bedroom house, say blood clot jealous of me. They set you upon me. Me no love woman. Me no name pussy, bitch. You're strictly. Me just come for the phone man a while ago. Move your bumbo clot and stop loss off of me. You go to bed with me and you wake up with me. Move up and go suck out your nasty pussy hole. Don't you as the way I'm from with the fuckery. And move up yourself from me.
You just come on for, oh, you just come on for a phone with him. Because she want to find out if him reach. So, Curly, you really carry the man, got the people in place? Me just ask me, and I say me, I say. Because you say you just come on for a phone with him. And allegedly them say you carry the man, got the people in place, go spend the night. Which is not impossible. Because remember, the man alone did. So if you sneak in your man, him can't know. But Curly, come here, let me whisper something to you. You know, say I don't know bad none of the Curly I risk you might run. Because guess what? Most of them places them put up camera because them want to see what I do. So Curly, if I chew, you know, if something goes over chew, you know, listen out for your phone call. As soon as them run the camera and look, listen out for your phone call. So make sure so I lie them and tell upon you. Because Curly, me know. If this is anything true, Curly, me know camera at the place because them type of people, yeah, always set up camera because them need to see what go on in and around them family member, where caregivers are taken care of because of what happened in the past, Curly. Can't say me never tell you, make sure no something will happen, Curly. It start prepare for look somewhere for catch up. Alright? Can't say me no want it, so me make sure come off my camera, nobody no see me I talk to you. Me talk to you one away. Alright? Me always I give advice on what you know. Me see some of them you kind of follow them, but you don't want to give me no props, you know. Alright.
So before you get yourself in some blood clot trouble, you think so because you're there Jamaica, you can't get in that trouble. Move up. We only call bitch ass jealous followers them. We jealous off of me. And then them are the one who have a big house and big car. No me homeless or homeless man, a janitor man. Move up your dirty blood clot you. You and the body. Eh? What happened? You don't collect no money? Your bitch ass people the way you pay them to get the money? With them broke ourself? Them not pay this weekend. Cause you look like somebody that getting a blood clot pay. Them not pay you. Eh? Them not pay you. Eh? You're behaving like a non-emancipated blood clot orangutan. You wanna make sense? We are chat? Fuck off. You wanna make sense? You making any blood clots and bitch ass woman? You making any sense?
You making any sense?
Media, a scandal and a cause problem. When I you did a screenshot and I do a kind of fuckery. Eh? Me in my room. Me have my phone and me I do my little phone and phone catch picture frame or catch or whatever. Who are you to come out here screenshot? Go sit your nasty rascal self down, you bitch.
My
You want people in a war? Go sit down before you get your blood clot self in a trouble. Cause any at all make the false report and me show the people them how you dep on social media behave and interfere and whatever.
Come on, Marcia. There's no difference. Where you gonna show up that person there? You no difference. There's any difference? Look here. No difference, Marcia. Come on. So basically, what you think gonna happen?
Call what kind of whatever. Move up and go help clean up Jamaica and volunteer. And go find something do. And that you figure do. You didn't want to come pitch on these 10 people.
Wow.
Go down way. Me a law-abiding citizen.
Since when?
Me doing my job and treating the man well. Me half work now. My work finish from 9 o'clock. Who you talking to? Me a law-abiding citizen. Me check out by the FBI. When me go to the airport, me not even get searched like that. So me check out by America, me pay my money and get special line. Me going now when me go to JFK airport.
Pressure.
Call police pan. Them check
Pressure.
A special line me going now. When me go in the airport and pay my money for that. Go about your
Everywhere you
business.
go, a special you get, Master. We know that. Special treatment you get everywhere you go. You're a superstar, you know. You don't get common treatment and nowhere you go. Pay special. Oh, sorry. Pressure.
Jealousy. Are you fucking greedy for money? Go sell your pussy, bitch. Go put some Vaseline and some coconut oil in there and shove it in there if in the dryer.
So, oh, you know them something with the Marcia? Oh, you know that? Them something they work? Like you try it, Marcia. So you really rich menopause?
That anything? Wait, you come up here and a screenshot. I want a screenshot thing I put it out. Anybody put on anything? Did I ever come out here and call him a name? Did I ever come out here and call address?
So what you afraid for? Oh, she know the address
no
then.
Evidence out here.
Oh, she know the address then.
No evidence on this platform.
Oh, if there's a case where she know the address is sent in N.Y.P.D. Oh, she know the address. Basically, it's so be the case, you know. Basically, you expose the place and you don't understand. Come like no, I shouldn't say you don't understand. Come like you still not understand. So you're on a worldwide net. somebody next door, you can live next door, you know the place exactly. Just the color of the paint on the house. Just the corner of the road. Just something where you're sure somebody near where follow the social media system yourself. Or diaspora then. Can't say right it, me don't know this so. Boom, them go and them check and them see the address. And them pass it on because probably they are a supporter of she. And then she just get it. But it's still caused by you coming on live and exposing your surrounding. So that you have to talk about. Are you expose your surrounding? You never know so if you expose your surrounding, there must be one, if I ever want somebody you're gonna know which part you're there. From you expose your surrounding.
That I ever come call my name. More than the phone catch the certificate them on the wall. When me did this, I sit down. I do my makeup and whatever and I do my life.
That's why you have to be more careful. I see him when you show up your client, man. I see him when you show up your client, you know.
Sorry, pussy, sorry. You dog shit, you. And that if you go do. Won't you call N.Y.P.D. because people family threaten you, because family are mob, because they're Italian. Go sit your blood clot self down and go look contents. And go along a seaside, go catch your fucking fish, them where you catch. And that if you go do. You're idiot, woman.
Italian.
We don't know whether some mad blood clot sick in the woman that takes it from me. Move up. I rebuke you, your blood clot demon. You's a demon from the pit of hell. The blood of Jesus is against you. You's a demon. Demon don't like people who talk about God.
Where say demon don't like demon? Master go say demon don't like demon. I should catch up. Master say, oh, demon don't like people who talk about God. She go say demon don't like demons. We know that, Master.
And then no matter how me cuss, me still talk about God said where you demon don't like anybody who talk about God. You's a demon from the pit of hell. You need somebody to blood you up with the blood of Jesus. The prayer warrior, and you have to take the little old serpent there for me.
Then you know say you're a prayer warrior. How are you right to this? You know say you grew up as a church person. Now you say that and say you know the Bible. So you know go into the Bible, man, and plea against her, man. You don't need no help, man. God help those that help themselves. Come out, come help yourself.
With the prayer warrior, them there. We need help. Take this blood clot piece of serpent off of me. We need help. Me can't manage her.
Whoa! Master, get out of your whitest towel you have, Master, and wave it and say, woman in a country, woman in a country, woman in a country, woman in a country. Yeah, and wave it. Make sure you realize say you can't manage her. Why Master you have it to deal with though? You have it to deal with. Music get one man off of your case. Music get one man off of your case. Then the 60 man have you like a football. Now the 60 man he's up off of you. Somebody else have you. Jesus, peace. Marcia, how you do so in a life? How you do so in a life, Marcia? No, sir. I show you a problem child. But you just act like you're not a problem child. You're a problem child, man, that's why.
That make me frustrated. I mean, I'm supposed to be frustrated. I am very contented and happy within myself. The only time I come out here and I frustrated myself with this little demon. With the prayer warrior them there.
You know one. You know one, Marcia? Marcia begging for prayer warriors to Rastaja. Marcia ball cree. Chewing the white flag. How the first me hear this? Speak with my people. We don't any prayer warrior. Who come out here come help Marcia. She balling for cree. So she can't manage. Anyway, speak with my people. Thanks for watching another video, you know. Bless up on yourself. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And just remember, please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. You can go over there, go see the give back where Pauline Henry did I try stop the little woman with the 1 foot and the foot we have on the 3 toe, where 2 of the toe gone. Yes, man. Can hardly go, have all kind of other ailments. Did I try stop the woman food? Me where the woman come on my yard, me never try if stop the food. It's just that me never want the woman to come on my yard because me don't want to reach 99 reach me. This girl come out in my comment about me want to be 99 so bad. You understand? So me did a video the woman and whatsoever and thing, and the woman catch me voice. And I said, no man, I'm my brother man. And the woman left her request and her request granted. She want one little radio card during this time. She never hear, get me know nothing. She want come out, come see what I go, and she have to pull her door and whatsoever. And the little shackle where she there, boy I never can juice if you do them, I sitting there, trust me. So she get the little radio where she request and she get little food. So Sunday morning she could have wake up as the weather did projected that we're going to have rain all weekend. Anyway, it never be so. God gave us sunshine all day yesterday, and today Monday so far there is no rain, still sunshine again, but at least she still get the little food. So Pauline Henry, we come out abandon the woman and you make it possible. If you alone it will not possible. Bless upon yourself. Oh, remember Tamika Douglas TV and Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Give them a subscription. Bless upon yourself.